Driving electric? Whether you're brand new to EV or just ready to upgrade, your home smart charger install should be fast, professional and stress-free.
We just picked up our new electric car. The charger was so easy to get installed. I didn't know where to start, but plug-in stations walked me through everything and made it stress-free from the first call.
I've had an EV for years. My charger was slow and dated, plug-in stations were swapped out my old charger for a new smart one, and I'm saving money already.
All our Ohme smart chargers are app controlled, fully OZEV approved and work with every EV. Track your usage, set your tariff, save while you sleep. No need to book a survey, just send us a quick video, some photos and we'll take care of the rest. We're the UK's #1 Ohme installer, NIC EIC certified, top rated on Trustpilot, and we plant a tree for every install. Switching to EV or upgrading your setup? Get your charger installed on budget and professionally in under 2 weeks with plug-in stations.